bad stand.
$10. My name is Everree. The thing I sell the most is sweetie. Mostly sweetie, bun, bread, biscuit, snack for the children. I sell scissors, crazy glue, bicycle seat, shoe for the bicycle, tie straps, pampers for the kids. Know all of them by heart. Add 10% to each one I sell. I brought them from the truck. Yeah, razor sell single $40 for one.
How much half a brown bread, Mr. Everree?
Half a brown bread is $125. This is a change. A lady come and sell me the egg. $120 for a patty. Get it as tasty. Thank you. Kerchief. This is jack plug. This is Tiger Balm. Slippers. These from downtown. And now I sell Tutti Frutti. I sell panties, brassiere, school socks, bought. I sell cheese by slices, $50 per slice. And this sell most of Jamaican bulla. I try to have a very little thing like varieties. When people ask for something, you know, you try, you write it down. And next time shopping, you try to get it. Now I'm getting old. 24 years. All different type of juice. Chocolate milk, kids juice, calm water, bag juice. Bag juice sell very hard. Bag juice is like syrup and, you know, for the kids them. And it's cheap, $10. The taxi man them buy original breakthrough wheel. Follow card. Sometimes, you know, the people them come and the back I would like to get through before the front, but you know, you try to please everybody still. Card pack with the guys them use and gamble. Yeah, sometimes very difficult. When the light gone, you have to lock up because like me sell ice cream and stuff there. Can't get to sell, me have to lock up. Because of the ghetto, you know, things kind of sticky. You know, you have to lock up early. You know, avoid gunshot and anything there. You have to go home early, very early. Sometimes you don't make nothing much, but you know, you have to give thanks.